we're doing with him now? He's gonna go to.
He's gonna tap his chest and get the air off of it before we send him to the emerge clinic. Just 'cause he has the bullet in his lung and it's causing a lot of extra air.
Okay, let's get him sternal.
He should be okay. I think it's just nerves, but
Yeah, I don't have any problem, bro.
no. Poking him. Oh. Pressure. Pressure.
His skull looks okay.
I don't see any evidence of any fractures, which is good. Zygomatic looks fine. The frontal bones were fine. Yeah, there's no evidence of any fractures. Frontal sinus is intact. But he does have significant swelling, so especially over the right side. You
Probably
can
right
see
on
it. Yeah. So he's actually got swelling on the right side, and he actually has something going on the left side. So neck looks okay. I don't see any fragmented bone. But his chest is a mess. So there's the pellet there. And you know it's in the chest when you do the two views because you can see where it is here and where it is here. So if you look, try to imagine it in a three-dimensional, it's definitely within the chest. So he's definitely got, you know, increased opacity on this side. So the left side, he's got pneumothorax, and you can actually see the reflection of the lung lobe there, how it's collapsed. You can put it in a chest tube, and the pneumothorax will resolve, and then just put him on antibiotics, and hopefully he doesn't develop any infection. But the problem is if this is torn through the lungs and the lungs aren't sealing, then he'll continue to have a pneumothorax, so it'll continue to be building up air in the chest. So then you sometimes have to go in and do a lobectomy and remove the lung lobes. So, but you know, they'll probably do a CT, evaluate, and then decide if surgery is required, and if it is, they'll go and do a thoracotomy and deal with it. So